Vikas, can I invest in mutual funds for just 6 months? Or are they only for long-term goals?
Of course, Sapna, you can invest for 6 months, but for shorter durations, the type of mutual fund matters.
Oh really? Which ones are suitable for the short term?
Liquid funds or ultra-short duration debt funds are usually ideal. They invest in fixed income instruments with short maturity periods.
So, I should avoid high-risk options.
Exactly. For short-term goals, it's wiser to go with low-risk and less volatile investments. Always match your fund to your goal and time frame.
Makes sense. So, mutual funds aren't just for the long haul.
Not at all. With the right fund choice, they work for both short and long-term goals. An investor education and awareness initiative of Nippon India Mutual Fund.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.